friends, today's video we're talking about fractions of equivalence. I really like this topic. You get to really manipulate fractions. Either you expand them or you can reduce them or simplify the fractions. You just see how fractions can work on a scale, right? If I have 1 out of 2 pieces, I have 50%. Well, that's the same as saying if I have 50 out of 100, or if I have 100 out of 200. So sometimes fractions are equivalent, but have different denominators, okay? The denominator, 2, 4, 8, 16. Those are all different denominators. If you can do the same action to both the numerator and the denominator, the top number, and the denominator, then you can reduce them, right? Or you can make them equal. So let's look at this. 2 times 4, or 2 times 2 equals 4. 1 times 2 equals 2. It's the same fraction. 1 out of 2 equals 2 out of 4. Look, we can do that again, right? Times 2 equals 4 equals 8. Watch this. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. Notice, it's equivalent. You can go along the entire line. 1 out of 2 equals 2 out of 4 equals 4 eighths equals 8 out of 16. All right? Now, same thing here. 1/2 equals 3/6 equals 5/10 equals 6/12. How do these two equal? I don't understand. Because I cannot multiply 3 times 2 to get 5. I can't divide 5 divided by 2 equals, that's 2.5. So let me ask you this. Can you reduce these fractions? They reduce evenly, right? So 5 and 10 have a common factor of 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 1/2, right? 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Look at that! It's the same. So fractions of equivalence, sometimes they can be tricky, sometimes they can deceive you. You either have to reduce the fraction to its simplest form, or you can expand the fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Okay? So let's find the missing numbers to make the fractions equal. Look, 3 times 6 equals 18. So 1 times 6 equals 6. That's all you have to do. Is do the same thing to the denominator that you do to the numerator. 40, how do you get 40 to 8? Division. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. So 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 6/8 is what? 3/4. 6 out of 8 equals 3 out of, because you divide it by 2, 3 out of 4. 30/40. Well, drop that 0, it's 3/4. It's 3/4. Isn't that cool? That's awesome. Ooh, 14, to get to 7, you divide it by 2 equals 7. So 80 divided by 2 equals 40. 7/40. That's all there is to it. So fractions of equivalence. If you have 3 out of the 4 numbers in 2 fractions and they're equal, then this is all you have to do to find out the missing number. Multiplication tables, your times tables, 9 times blank equals 63. 9 times 7. So 9 times 7 equals 63. 7 times 7 equals 49. Ooh, 35 divided by, because we're getting smaller, 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3/7. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Oh, okay. So, we don't have this number, so what do? We go backwards. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, so 16 times 4 equals what? 16 times 4 is 4 times 6 is 24. Carry my 2. 64. 64. So, this is it. Fractions of equivalence. This is how you can manipulate them. If you do whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. Whatever you do to the numerator, you have to do to the denominator. Okay, we divide them both by 5. Here. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day, and let me know if you have any other questions.